Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Communication skills become more clear. Consensus Lecture 6. In this lecture, we will learn about active listening and empathy, the importance of active listening, developing active listening skills, showing empathy and understanding, resolving conflicts through active listening, practicing mindful communication consciously, becoming a better listener. The importance of active listening. Effective communication is essential for success in both personal and professional relationships. However, communication is not just about speaking. It also involves active listening. Active listening means fully concentrating on what the other person is saying and trying to understand their perspective. It requires setting aside one's own thoughts and feelings and being present in the moment. Active listening has numerous benefits. It helps build trust and respect between individuals, leads to better problem solving and decision making, and reduces misunderstandings and conflicts. By actively listening, we can gain valuable insights and information that we might have missed otherwise. Moreover, it shows the other person that we care about them and their opinions, which can strengthen our relationship with them. Developing active listening skills. Active listening is an essential skill that can improve your personal and professional relationships. It involves paying attention to what someone is saying, understanding their perspective, and responding appropriately. To develop your active listening skills, try paraphrasing and summarizing what the speaker has said. This shows that you are engaged in the conversation and helps clarify any misunderstandings. Additionally, maintain eye contact and avoid distractions, such as checking your phone or looking around the room. Showing empathy and understanding. Empathy and understanding play a crucial role in effective communication. When we listen with empathy, we try to understand the other person's perspective and emotions. This helps us connect with them on a deeper level and build trust. For example, imagine you are talking to a friend who is going through a tough time. Instead of just listening to their words, you try to understand how they are feeling and what they are going through. By doing so, you show that you care about them and value their feelings. Understanding is also important because it helps us avoid misunderstandings and conflicts. When we take the time to clarify what someone means, we can prevent disagreements and ensure that everyone is on the same page. For instance, if a colleague gives you feedback that you don't agree with, instead of getting defensive, you could ask them to explain their reasoning. This shows that you are open to feedback and willing to learn from others. Resolving conflicts through active listening. Active listening is a powerful tool for resolving conflicts. By truly hearing and understanding the other person's perspective, we can find common ground and work towards a mutually beneficial solution. In one case study, a team of coworkers was struggling to collaborate effectively. By practicing active listening and empathy, they were able to identify and address underlying issues, leading to improved communication and productivity. Practicing mindful communication. Mindful communication involves being fully present and engaged in a conversation without judgment or distraction. It requires active listening, empathy, and an open-minded attitude. By practicing mindful communication, we can improve our relationships, reduce conflicts, and enhance our overall well-being. Some practical exercises for practicing mindful communication include taking deep breaths before responding to someone, repeating their words back to them to ensure understanding, and avoiding multitasking while in a conversation. These techniques can help us stay focused and attentive, and show respect and consideration to the person we are speaking with. Conclusion. Becoming a better listener. In conclusion, active listening is a crucial skill for effective communication. By actively engaging with others and showing empathy, we can create stronger connections and build better relationships. To become a better listener, we must practice paraphrasing and summarizing, show empathy and understanding, and use mindful communication techniques. By doing so, we can resolve conflicts, improve our communication skills, and enhance our personal and professional lives.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.